Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a banana cake, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a banana cake. Okay, so this is a banana, and you need a flour. This is a flour, and I'm gonna need my chicken seasoning and some black pepper. Okay, it's very easy. You're gonna remove the skin of this banana first, and after you're gonna cut them into little pieces. Okay, little tiny pieces, you're gonna cut it like if you frying like a chips. You know, when you fry the chips, the way you're supposed to cut it, like a very tiny slice. So that's how I'm gonna do it. But like the way they're okay, I just removed the skin of it, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash it, and I'm gonna cut it. You need to wash it very well, okay? So I've already peeled the skin out of it. It's supposed to be a raw banana, not a sweet banana. Raw banana, really raw banana, okay? You need to be very raw, because if it's not raw, we're never gonna taste right, okay? So I'm gonna wash it and cut it a little tiny bit, okay? Okay, you need to cut it in little tiny pieces like this. The way I'm cutting it, you see, very light. You need to cut it. The more lighter, the more tiny you cut it, the better, okay? You see, this is how it's supposed to be. I'm cutting everything, and after, I'm gonna put the flour and season it. Okay, it's time to add the flour now. So I'm gonna add the flour like this. I just had one big spoon, and I'm gonna add like a half of it too, like this. Okay, and I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. And my chicken seasoning to it too, like this. You don't put too much, okay? And you're gonna add some more little tiny bit of water. You're gonna add the water. I'm gonna just add the water, just a little tiny bit like this. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna wash my hand. My hand is washed already, so I just wanna make sure.
I don't want to hear you.
I'm making a video. My kid they're making a little bit of noise, and please sorry about that, okay? Okay, now so I'm mixing it, because the reason why you're doing this, because you want the thing to stick together. How you call banana to stick together in your hand, okay? So I'm gonna try it and see if the season is good enough. If it's not, I'm gonna add more. Yeah, I think it's good enough for me. So black pepper and chicken seasoning, any kind of seasoning you like, you can add that, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys how to make it, how to do it. Now I'm gonna put the oil in the fire now, so let the oil start getting hot, okay? So okay, so I add the flour and the season. So you're gonna do like this, because you want to make sure it stick together, okay? So that's the reason why you put it in the flour for. So the oil is hot, and you're gonna slice. You need to slice like on. Be careful though, because you don't want to burn yourself, okay? You're gonna do it like this, and slide again in the oil, okay? So you want them to stick together. That's the purpose. See, you're gonna slide, make sure they stick together, and you're gonna slide them again, okay? Be careful. So you see how it look like now? It's supposed to be nice and golden. It's almost there. It's getting there, so it's almost goldy. So this is the reason why we put in flour on it, so it will stick together. The chips with this, is the difference is this have a flour on it. The chips, you just would not put no flour. You would just put a little bit of salt or any kind of seasoning, just fry it just directly. But this other one got flour, so that's the reason why I'm calling it cake. Okay. Okay, so this is my final product, and this is the rice, the two rice of it, and this is the this is how it's supposed to look like. This is how it's supposed to look like. See? It's very good. You're gonna like it. And thank you for watching our cuisine. Please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, and the more video I'm gonna post. And please share. Love you guys so much, and see you guys another day, okay? Love you guys. Bye.